YouTube channel. So today I'll be doing an unboxing of this Born Pretty package I got as a PR package, and I'll be using it to create a set, and it's going to be part of my celebration of Born Pretty celebrating International Women's Day in 2022. So let's see what is inside this pack. Okay. So I started this series since the 1st of March 2022 for the International Women's Day celebration. So this is what I got. Okay. I don't know. I think this is part of the macaron set. Okay, so I have here a super top coat. Then I have here omnipotent cat eye gel polish, another cat eye gel polish. I have another one, reflective cat magnetic gel. I have this jelly gel. Then I have the another 7ml color gel. So I'm going to be opening every one so you guys can see them. Honestly, I'm in need of this top coat, and it came at the right time because I've almost exhausted the top coat I have. You know, because we use top coat all the time to cap the work we do. The top coat and the gel base coat finishes fast, and I love Born Pretty top coat because it's always very beautiful. Please ignore my nails. I just took the ones I have there out this morning, so it's a little bit rough. Then my how do I call it? I don't know what is wrong with my phone holder. So you might see that the video might be a little bit shaky. It's because my phone holder is closed. So if you have been watching my big upload from the 1st of March till now, thank you very much for supporting my content, watching my videos. It means a lot to me and I appreciate it. So I'm going to be opening this so you can see what we have inside. Okay. So this is the color gel. This is a beautiful pink gel polish color. Can you see it? Okay, so this is the jelly nude gel. I don't know what that means, jelly. Okay, I love the color of this nude, like it is awesome. I'm going to put it on a nail tip so you can see what it looks like. And they have the omnipotent, this is the omnipotent magnet. Okay, I have this before and I have it again. This is very beautiful, I've used it before. And I'm sure you guys have seen it on one of my videos. And I have the reflective cat magnetic gel polish. I have a baby here, so that's why she's making noise. This is another beautiful, I have something like this before, but the one I had before was a little bit brownish. This is a mixture of black and silver. This is lovely as well. This is a reflective cat magnetic gel. Then I have the top coat. So let's get ready to create a beautiful set with this.
So now let's see the colors on nail tips. Let's see what they look like. So I'm just doing a coat of each of the colors. And I trust Born Pretty products. They are usually well pigmented. I don't have to go over it again. So this omnipotent cat eye gel polish supposed to be on a dark shade, so it can come out very well. I've done a review of it in my previous video. This is another form of reflective cat eye magnetic gel polish. So after using it also on a dark color, you can apply the you can use the magnet on it like this, and these are all the colors. So let's start working with them. So I'm going to be creating another set today with this gel polish colors I received as the PR package. This is my day 5 of the celebrating the International Women's Day with Born Pretty. I really thank you guys for the support I've gotten so far. This is day 5. You have supported me from day 1, 2, 3, 4, and I appreciate your support today as well. So kindly watch this video till the end and let me know your thoughts about this video in the comment section. So if you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail tutorials, product reviews, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. So I'll be leaving the link to the website of Born Pretty in the description box, so you can click on the link to purchase any of these items I've used and more from their website, and you get discounts if you also use my coupon code, which is Glitterspolish, on their website. So I'll talk to you guys again in my next video. Till then, bye and stay blessed.
Till you give me is not enough. Oh. You know, say me, I know I fall in love, shawty. Oh, baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Oh, baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Look, baby, look, baby, you be look, baby, look, baby. What have you done to me? Oh, got me chasing after you. What have you done to me, my Bella? Got me chasing after you. Yeah. Oh yeah, talk to me, oh mama. Ballroom, so me die with you, oh. Baby. All I seek, I find it in you. You. All I seek, I find it in you. And I'm falling for you, yeah. And I'm calling to you, yeah. Oh, baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Oh, baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Said I'm getting addicted, oh, I'm getting addicted to you. Said I'm getting addicted, oh, I'm getting addicted to you.
Wavy.
On and on, it's more sticks on the beat, yeah. On and on, say I wanna leave you in the morning, but I need you now, yeah. I find you, I give you all you're needing. I know just what you like. I feel it's coming. Time is of the essence, yeah. I try to teach you, but I'ma need some lessons. I need to give it all. I try to leave, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. to me, and tell me all that you're thinking, cause I wanna be that somebody just for you. Say now me go day by your side, early morning through the day and the night, even through the